That's all I need. We in Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a rat. I'm in our pennies trying to get out in a cry. Friends are my friends and they trying to get. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the start, but something's lining up. Not my exit was better you find out. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in that building. Somebody who feels me in the feeling. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We in Miami turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends, all of my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie wanna get home and swap. I said I'm shy, baby, and that's doing a lot. I'm tryna do more than bust down your wide. I need somebody who gon' meet me at the top. Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Say they don't pay well to fall in love. I need the stars or something lining up. Thought my ex bitch was better to find out. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody who loves me in that building. Somebody who feels me in the feeling. We throw 50,000 in the ceiling. Oh yeah. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I need. Yeah. They did not stop making bad bitches when they made you. Red bone, slim, thick shit, she only 22. No, she do for a little workout, pull up on the Lululemon. Got a 10, I let her lay out by the pool, we got plenty. As long as I lock in, about one of them go get it. I'm so hood, nigga, so hot, that my right truck got rims. Like I'm paralyzed, my spine broke, can't turn it back with my twin. I'm so D-boy and I stay fresh, when good time my team. I'm so damn smooth, I slice shit, I ain't ever speaking on the business. She know she mine when I'm in town, we can have it back when I'm finished. They did not stop making bad bitches when they made you. Red bone, slim, thick shit, she only 22. They did not stop making bad bitches when they made you. Red bone, slim, thick shit, she only 22.
Hold up, stop the beat, little babe. Let me talk my shit. Hey, my ex say I be shitting on him. I'm genuinely popping shit. All my ops still broke still. Ain't that?
Yeah. Yeah. They did not stop making bad bitches when they.
It's DJ Ryan.
On the basis she know it. Sending me paragraphs, I done heard it before, so I ignore it. I'm knowing she just mine for the moment, so I'll enjoy it. If I call her, tell her to commit, she jump like Jordan. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes. Tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes. Spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes. Me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah, and I don't love you for sick. How I bring you to my hood, shit we can ride in my Vic. How buy you diamonds? No inside this shit, all VVS. And this shit crazy, cause I know that you just mine for the day. And this shit crazy, cause I know that this bitch lying on my face. She got a man, so I could never take her out on no date. I ain't just saying that. The nigga who been cheated on, like, baby, I done been that. And I know how it feels, so we can go ahead and end that. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes. Tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes. Spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. You ain't learn your lesson, guess you ain't getting the message. I guess it's better to hurt. Cause when you reckless with your heart, yeah, that shit definitely hurt. And when you sit inside the dark, you driving tears on your shirt. You crying private. You crying cause the pain that you causing, but ain't say sorry. And when somebody give you their heart, it ain't the borrower. You gotta respect it and protect it and well guard it. Pain and shit run deep, it don't get better by tomorrow. How is it his fault that every time y'all gotta argue? Y'all arguing cause you was still around the one I called you. And so you real love, you come around me and I dog you. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes. Tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes. Spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me. Baby, I be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah, history be down when it's over. I hear you show me love, I'm only here for the moment. When you fucking me, I make you say my name when you moaning. Do you fuck with me, or do you fuck with how I be fucking you, girl, we grown in. Yes, tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes, tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes, spit inside the mouth, I got a little bit on the chest. I know you ain't mad, but do I love you? Yes, me, baby, I be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell.
Maybe you should drive your car. Pick up on none of your call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? When I stand with the roof gone, I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a move on. Like you haul, and I know you like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring that things. Slide for me, other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get first instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? Falling in love, you babe. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Not the words you want to show the run. Fighting around town with your hair down yours. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. Everything what you doing so wrong. I can tell your friends you don't want your money. You need to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly.
I opened this one.
Popping nice things. Slide for me, other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed.
Then you help me remember my heart cold as December. Learning to love myself. This is what I call This is how I'm looking after I come from my mama's house, but we finna run in here and go to the store real quick. So I need to go grab something. And then it is freezing out here. Simple Sunday video or whatever you seen, I did all of those things. It was literally like 4 o'clock, so in between the time of me leaving the house, I was gonna get ready to get in the tub. It was like 12:41. I got in the tub, water was too cold. I decided to go take a bath with my mom. With my mom's, I ended up not coming from by my mom's till like 3 o'clock. Right. So now it's 4 something. I still need to eat. I still need to watch church. I still need to. I just took some medicine because my teeth had started hurting, but. Yeah, that's just kind of like how life works. I did go to the dollar store. I did buy tissue. I did buy paper towels and stuff like that. I couldn't show y'all because my phone was dead, and I was like, let me just wait till my phone come on to put the stuff up. But then my mom said, like, you can just put the stuff up. You ain't gotta wait till the phone come. So I ended up putting stuff up and stuff like that. So right now I am just getting ready to watch church. I just wanted to come back and tap in with you guys. I want to let you know I did watch The Boston Strangler yesterday. I am in a mood of watching based on true stories, basically what we call it bots. We'll put that in here too. So yeah, based on true stories, which we call them bots. And then with the bots, I watched The Boston Strangler yesterday. Real good movie. I watched the Untold Story version, and legend has it that the killers are still out on the loose. So do with that what you will.
When people go left, when people don't understand, when people don't like it, when they don't like you, let them. I want to teach today from the topic, let them. Let them.
They did not stop making bad bitches when they made you. Red bone, slim, thick shit, she only 22. No, she did for a little
Let me see what I got from the store. I got these little cookies. I got this bleach. I got this. And because I have been really, really thirsty, I got some of these. We're gonna try these for electrolytes. Some of that.
Hold up, stop the beat, little babe. Let me talk my shit. Hey, my ex say y'all be shitting on them. I'm genuine poppin' shit. All my ops still broke today. Ain't that?
They did not stop making bad bitches when they.
It's DJ Ryan.
On the basis she know it. Sending me paragraphs, I done heard it before.